Replacing ink on the Epson SC-F500 is simple. Lift the ink tank cover, then follow the directions on the home screen, carefully choosing the colour to be replaced. In this case, magenta. Open the ink tank cap and carefully insert the bottle and refill. Once full, remove and close the cap and you're done. There are a number of paper options on the Epson SC-F500. If unsure, there's always a guide to follow on the home screen. For auto sheet feeding, open the cover and pull out the tray. Line up your paper with the printable side face front, and then you're good to go. For roll paper, check that load paper is displayed on the home screen, and then open the cut sheet cover. Place the roll on the spindle and pop on the transparent top, making sure it's tight to the roll. Then carefully lower the spindle into position. Feed the paper through, and you should hear a beep. Close the cover, and finally, set the paper type on the home screen. To enable Wi-Fi connection to the printer, touch the Wi-Fi icon on the home screen. Then choose Router, followed by Start Setup. Select the desired Wi-Fi network and pop in your password. And that's it. You can now print and be creative without a wire in sight.